Come back. Today we'll be looking at linear equations, and linear equations are equations that the unknown is to the power of 1. That means x is raised to the power of 1, not square, no, and it's not xy. They don't both multiply together. These are linear equations. So how do we solve these questions like this? So we have some steps. We have one kind of question, simple linear equation questions that are just one step equations. For example, when we have x plus 5 equals to 12. And how do we solve that? X plus 5 equals to 12. When we have x plus 5 equals to 12. What we do is this. We're trying to take out 5. And what is the sign of 5 here? We have plus 5. So to eliminate this 5 here, it's going to add, that means we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And when we do that, it's going to give us, this is going to be out, which is x equals to, so 12 minus 5 is 7. So that's our final answer for that. So the next one is what? X minus 7 equals to 13. So we have minus 7 here. So to eliminate this, what we just have to do is add plus 7 to both sides. So add 7 to both sides. So this is out. And that would be x equals to 13 plus 7. And that is 20. So our answer here is 20. So easy. So the next step is to, we have two-step equations here now. We have what? We have 2y minus 3 equals to 11, just like what we did earlier. Add 3 to both sides. Why? Because we have negative 3 here. So when you do that, we have 2y minus 3 equals to 11. That's plus 3 plus 3. And this is out. So we have 2y equals to 11 plus 3. And that's 14. So the next thing is to divide both sides by the coefficient of y. In this case, which is 2. That will give us, this is out. 14 divided by 2, it's 7, makes 7. So the next one is we have 3y plus 7 equals to minus 5. So to take out this plus 7, we're going to do the opposite, which is the reverse, which is minus 7. Subtract 7 from both sides. I subtract 7 from both sides, so which is, this is out. 3y equals to, I told you that when you have minus a minus b, can be simply written as minus a plus b, and that will be what? Minus 5 minus 7 means minus 5 plus 7, which is minus 12. So I have minus 12 here. So divide both sides by 3. That's the coefficient of y in this case. Y is x, 3 is out, which is y, and minus 12 divided by 3, or negative 12 divided by 3, is going to be 4. So our answer is minus 4. If you are wondering how we got minus 4 back, there's, when you have a number divided, if when a positive number is being divided by a negative number is being divided by a positive number, it's going to always be negative. Simply saying, then we have minus divided by plus, always going to give us minus. So that's how we got minus 4. So now we have multi-step equations. And how we're going to do this? Yes, just like what we've been doing. You want to take this 6 to the right hand side. So we're going to perform the inverse operation, which is plus 6. So plus 6 to the negative 4. They are under the same number, so we are going to do that. Then we want to eliminate this 2a to the left hand side. What is that? It is plus 2 here. So what we're going to do is to put minus 2a here, minus 2a. So we can actually solve this out now. This is eliminated. This is eliminated. So we have 4a minus 2a. And 4a, so let me write it out back. So we have 4a minus 2a now gives us minus 4 plus 6. So we can actually do this now. So 4a minus 2a is going to give us 2a, and minus 4 plus 6 is going to give us plus 2. So we divide both sides by 2, and a is 1. So that is the first step. For the second question, what we have is 3 into bracket b minus 2. What we have to do is distribute 3 to both b and minus 2. That's 3 times b minus 3 times 2 equals to 15. 3 times b equals to 3b, and 3 times 2 is 6, which is equals to 15. So in this case, what we just have to do is, like we did for our simple equations earlier on, one step, we add 6 to both sides because we have -6 here, and this is out. So we have 3b equals to 21. So divide both sides by the coefficient of 21 of b here, which is 3, and that's divided by 3. So finally our b is equals to 7. Then the next one is 5z minus 8 equals to 3z plus 2 into bracket z minus 4. What we need to do is to distribute these 2 to both z and -4. We have 5z minus 8 equals to 3z. So when you distribute this, you're going to get 2z minus. So let me just show you how we got that again. So that's 2 times z minus 2 times 4. So when you have that, we have 5z minus 8 equals to 3z plus 2z, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now these 3z and 2z are common terms. All these numbers each are called terms. So we have 5z minus 8 equals to 3z plus 2z. That's 5z minus 8. Since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, definitely our z is equals to 0. Why? Because if we say 5z minus 8, if we try to eliminate, just like what we've been doing, if we try to eliminate, we're still going to get 0. That is to eliminate 5z on this right hand side, that is minus 5z minus 5z. And to eliminate this -8 on the left hand side, that will be plus 8 plus 8. And if we do this, you're going to get 0 here equals to 0. So therefore z is 0. So that's all for today. See you next class. Don't forget to like and subscribe this. Bye.